Here's a 500-word YouTube video script for a 2025 Rolls-Royce car review, luxurious, sleek, and conversational in tone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into a world where luxury isn't just an option, it's the standard. We're talking about the 2025 Rolls-Royce, a car that doesn't just take you places, it redefines how you experience the journey. The first thing you notice. Presence. The design is unmistakably Rolls-Royce. The massive Pantheon grille, the Spirit of Ecstasy proudly leading the way, and those coach doors that open with a theatrical elegance. The 2025 model continues the legacy with subtle refinements, slimmer LED headlights, smoother body lines, and a more aerodynamic silhouette that still carries that signature Rolls-Royce weight and class. Under the hood, this beauty doesn't disappoint. Powered by a fully electric drivetrain, yes, Rolls-Royce has gone all in on electric. The 2025 model is whisper quiet, insanely smooth, and surprisingly fast. With over 600 horsepower and instant torque, it glides from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds. It's silent, but it speaks volumes. Inside, the cabin is basically a private lounge. Think hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, and a level of craftsmanship you won't find anywhere else. The Starlight headliner returns, now fully customizable with animated constellations. The seats, massaging, heated, cooled, you name it. And the ride quality, it's not just smooth, it's like floating on air, thanks to the enhanced planar suspension system that reads the road ahead and adjusts in real time. The tech inside this car is next level. You get a fully digital driver's display, a massive touchscreen that melts seamlessly into the dash, and voice control that's more like speaking to your personal butler than a car assistant. Rolls-Royce calls it whispers, and it responds to natural conversation. You want to change the cabin scent, check the weather in Monaco, or book a table at a 5-star restaurant? Just ask. And here's something that sets it apart even more: personalization. Rolls-Royce doesn't do options like other brands. They do bespoke. Want a custom paint blended with actual diamond dust? Done. Monogrammed seats, personalized umbrellas, your own signature stitched into the headrest. All possible. This is not just a car, it's a canvas. Range anxiety? Not here. With over 350 miles on a full charge and ultra-fast charging capability, this electric Rolls fits seamlessly into a luxury lifestyle without compromise. And because it's fully electric, the cabin is even quieter than before, creating an atmosphere of pure serenity. At the end of the day, the 2025 Rolls-Royce isn't just about transportation. It's about making a statement, about status, taste, and the desire to experience the best of the best. It's not a car for everyone, and that's exactly the point. If you enjoyed this walk through modern-day royalty on wheels, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your dream spec. Until next time, drive smooth, live big. Want a more cinematic version or voiceover-ready script? Just let me know.